One of the included components in all versions of Avast Antivirus is its software updater component. It makes sure that your most used programs are always kept up to date. To get to that function, open the Avast user interface, go to Protection, and then Software Updater. And as you notice, mine is telling me that I have 2 programs that need to be updated. Since I use the free version of Avast, I don't have automatic updates. If you had the paid version, then of course you could set this to automatically do the updates for you. Since I'm using the free version, I have to manually update the 2 items that it told me were outdated. Let's do that right now. It will now download the latest versions and install those versions on my system. It takes a little while, but it sure makes it nice and convenient to make sure that your most used programs are kept up to date. It's just that simple to keep your software up to date, even in the free version of Avast. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.